Howdy everyone. Today I'm going to do an instructional video on our cinema arm kits. So we've got a lot of cinema arm kits and I'm not going to try to cover each one, and I'm not going to even mention the part numbers for each one because it would be a tongue twister for me. But the concept is the same for all of them, and in the link in the video will be all the different arm kits, so you don't have to worry about that. So anyways, when we ship out an arm kit, the idea is for us to ship all the different parts. This is one kit right here. They would be in an individual bag with a header card that's bigger on the top with the part number of the kit, and there should be an instructional card inside. So when you get it, you're going to open it up. If you go to this code with your phone, you're going to end up being where you're at right now. You're going to be at the instructional video. So anyways, that's how it's going to come. This is one of the kits. So this would be the same kit that you see in the bag, except it's out of the bag and assembled. Now the difference between a lot of these kits is basically the arms or the ends for the monitor. All the kits are going to originate with a 1/4-20 ball on them. They'll have a clamp, an arm, whether it be a 3-inch, a 6-inch, or 8-inch, or maybe it will have two 8-inch arms. If it has two 8-inch arms, there'll be an extra clamp in the bag. The end on each one where the monitor goes, this is an ACMB. This is more like a larger universal monitor mount. So this is one of the choices. The other choice is the SHD for the small HD monitor. And the other two choices would be, you might get a 1/4-20 ball on that end or a 38/16. So remember, these kits were all created because customers asked for them. To make it easier for them, we offer a bunch of kits, but we don't have all the kits everybody might want. So if there's something that you feel you could use that's different, please let us know. We're happy to make a change. We're happy to do something custom for you, not a problem. But anyways, I want to show you real quick. You get all the parts and they're all loose. So what do? You'll cut the bag open, put them all in a pile, and this will be how you'll do it. You'll take the 1/4-20 ball, and these clamps, the easiest way to do this is to hold them like this, loosen the knob, put the part in there, and actually you need two, squeeze it down and tighten it up. So you're going to end up doing that with all the parts until the kit's correct. Please, one thing I'd like to note, because this does happen, the ball goes between these two clamp halves with the curvature right here. It does not go here and get tightened up this way. As silly as it sounds, it does happen. So I just want to make sure everybody knows what to do. Anyways, that's the instructions for the clamp kit, for the cinema arm kits. If you have an issue, you have a problem, we're always here to help. So give us a call. And other than that, happy filming.